Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are unboxing HobbyPro made starter kit. This is for the Nitro guys, and here is all stuff you need for the start your motor and adding fuel. So let's open the box and see what's inside there. Okay, now we have opened the box. So here is igniter for your glow plug. It's standard 1.2 volt battery, and here is charger for it. This is for normal socket, 230 volts. Here is tool for your clutch. Here is multi-tool for, here is a wheel hub nut. Here's 10 mil, 8 mil, 5.5, and here's another one, 10. And there is also a smaller one. It's 7, 5, 4 and 5.5 for your smaller one. And here is your fuel can. Here is the measure, how much fuel you are putting in, and that's about it. For this kit, price is really good, so you will get all the tools with price of just igniter, so highly recommended. Thank you for watching and see you next time.